In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language setting in Microsoft To Do. Whether you're looking to work in a different language or simply prefer using your native tongue, adjusting the language in Microsoft To Do can enhance your productivity and make task management feel more intuitive. So, let's walk through the process together. First off, to begin this journey, we need to navigate to the Microsoft To Do's welcome page. It's the starting point where you'll sign in to access your tasks and preferences. Just go to your browser and type in the website for Microsoft To Do, and you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. Once you're on the welcome page, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials, starting with your email address. If you haven't already done so, make sure you have a Microsoft account created, as this will be essential not just for To Do, but for accessing the wide range of Microsoft services available. After entering your email, you'll then click on Next. The subsequent steps will ask for your password and any additional authentication your account is set up with. It's straightforward, just follow the prompts as they appear. Once you've successfully signed in, your next destination is the My Day page on Microsoft To Do. It's a beautifully designed page where your daily tasks await your attention. This page is essentially your task hub, featuring everything you've planned for the day. Now for the task at hand, changing the language. To do this, first locate your profile icon. It's typically in the top right corner of the My Day page. A click on this will bring up a small menu, and what you're looking for here is the option labelled My Profile. Click on that and it will take you out of To Do and into your Microsoft account settings page. Upon arriving at your Microsoft account profile page, look for the language option. It's your gateway to modifying the language settings not only for To Do but for all the Microsoft services you use. Clicking on Language opens up the language preferences for your account. Here's where things get interesting. Your current language setting will be displayed, but if you're planning to change it, look for the option that says Add a Language. This opens up a comprehensive list of languages that Microsoft supports across its services. From here you can scroll through or use the search function to find the language you wish to switch to. Once you've found your desired language, the final step is to add it to your profile. Upon doing so, you might be prompted to adjust the language preferences further, such as choosing specific dialects or setting it as your primary language for Microsoft services. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed the language setting in Microsoft To Do, making it ready to use in the language you feel most comfortable with. This can significantly enhance your task management experience, ensuring that every to-do list feels personal and accessible. Remember, changing your language settings in Microsoft To Do and other Microsoft services is not a one-time decision. You can always revisit your preferences if you wish to explore tasks in another language or switch back to your original setting. I hope this guide has been helpful and you now feel confident changing the language in Microsoft To Do. Remember, organising your tasks in a language that feels most natural to you can make a world of difference in staying productive and motivated. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides on making the most out of your digital tools and services.